Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because not only am I unboxing and reviewing my January glam bag, I also got a ring light. So hopefully this helps kind of improve the quality of my videos. I'm really trying to get back into the groove of things in the month of February. January was really rough, so we're just kind of like resetting, pressing the reset button and getting back into it. So before we dive into the unboxing and review, I just want to let you know I am switching it up just a little bit. I want to give you guys the approximate value of each glam bag because I think that's really important when determining how you should spend your money on these sort of subscription services. So I've gone ahead and calculated the approximate value of each product based on their full size value, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna let you guys know, that way you can kind of judge for yourself whether or not you think it is worth it. So without further ado, let us jump right into the Ipsy unboxing and review for the month of January. This month's theme was game face, and the bag definitely fits this. It definitely reminds me of like the soccer bags that I used to have. It's like padded, it's really cute, and it's got a little shoelace tassel. So very cute bag this month, definitely fits the theme, and I like that it's kind of got that padding, so I can just kind of toss my makeup in a bag and throw it in my purse. The first product that I got is this Furless Cosmetics loose eyeshadow in the shade Sneaky, and the color is gorgeous. Like, look at this gorgeous purple color. Super pretty, super glittery. The biggest problem is that it is not as pigmented and long lasting as I would like. It definitely is very pigmented when you first apply it, but then if you try to go to blend it out or do anything other than just tap it right onto your eyelids, it does not last. It blends out into nothing. So that is my biggest disappointment with this product. The color is pretty, but it just doesn't last. It doesn't do anything for me. This is about a third of their full size, and so the approximate value is $4.50, which is pretty good if you consider the whole Ipsy bag is $10, so that is almost half of the bag right there. The next product I got is this coffee scrub by Organic Living, and I was super excited about this because I love coffee, I love body scrubs, I love skincare. I've been really into skincare lately, and I was just really excited about this product. This is their coconut version. If there was one suggestion I could give, it was this is where the coconut label was. You have to rip it off to get into the bag, so you no longer know what scent it is. So that's my one suggestion, but other than that, everything else about this is amazing. It smells delicious. Obviously it smells like coffee. Smells delicious. Your skin feels amazing after using it, and I don't know, I just loved it. I felt so clean and refreshed. Although it is definitely kind of awkward using a body scrub if you've never used one. It was just very weird standing in the shower naked for like 5 minutes while this kind of soaks into your skin and does its magic. You're just kind of cold and wet and sad. But afterwards your skin feels really nice, so it is definitely worth it. And the product itself is very worth it as well. The approximate value is $5.50, and it is a fairly big bag. I'm going to get a ton of uses out of this. Most of you guys know I love face masks. This is the Global Beauty Care Charcoal Wash Off Mask 15-minute facial therapy, and I'm a big fan of charcoal face masks. In particular, I feel like they just help my skin the most, but the one downside to charcoal masks is that I feel like usually they dry out your skin while they're trying to remove all those dirt and impurities. This one does not. My skin actually felt hydrated afterwards. It felt super smooth, and I've definitely been having trouble with blackheads and large pores on my nose, and I saw an immediate change in the size and appearance of my pores after using this. So I was really pleased with this mask and the results that it gave. This is 1 ounce of product, and I'm probably gonna get about 4 more masks out of this, which is awesome, and the approximate value is about $2, which is a pretty good price. The next 2 products that I got in my Ipsy glam bag for January are actually full-size products. So it completely blows the value out of the water, especially this next one. So this was just a really good month. This is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Liquid Liner. It is full size, and I was obsessed with this for the first couple times I used it. Today I was not as impressed. This is probably only the third time that I've used it, and it is already starting to dry out, so that is definitely a bummer, especially when you consider that it retails for $19. So this is worth $19 and you only really get 3 uses out of it, which is very disappointing. But for the value of the Ipsy bag, that definitely brings it up, but it also brings it down if you consider the fact that it's not really worth the $19 that they're charging. And then last but not least is this Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the shade Desire. Again, a full-size product. This retails for $6 on their website, and I'm really impressed with this. It has a very moussey formula. It lasts for a very long time, even when I ate greasy food at work, so I was pretty impressed with that fact as well. It doesn't feel drying, and I just really like it. I feel like maybe I'm gonna have to pick up a couple more colors of this, especially because it's a really great value. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. And if you weren't keeping score, the total value for this month's bag was actually $37. So I paid $10 and I got $37 worth of makeup, skincare, body care products. That's what I call value, guys. So I was just really impressed with this month's box. I pretty much loved everything in it, and if not, it's always great to try new products and new brands, and I think that's just the best part of Ipsy as well. And I think it's really cool that I got a full-size Ciate London eyeliner in the bag. Even though I didn't love it, they're not really an unknown brand, they're in Sephora, so that is really cool as well. Though I wasn't a huge fan of the product, it's nice to see that they do have Ciate London in their kind of rotation for Ipsy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've got bigger and better things coming in this new year. It really just feels like January already for me. I just want to erase January. February is the new January. So we are starting over, guys. It's going to be an awesome, awesome year. It's going to be an awesome month. So make sure you are here for it. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. And just go out and live your best life. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.